Today I'm going to be back with another video, and for today's video I am so excited because I'm going to be making goo, another one, but this is going to be a light blue because I'm running out of blue food coloring. Like I can't get any out, but I'll still try. So I will try to be making fluffy slime with foaming soap. Here's how it is. Here. Foaming soap. And sorry if you hear the TV, we're watching Suicide Squad. And on my Snapchat, I just posted on my story a couple clips of it, of the Joker, the Harley Quinn, basically all the characters and some scenes of it. So make sure to go check that out. I'll go leave my Snapchat in the description box below again. And to represent Harley, I just painted my hair kind of like a pink. And to represent Joker, if you can see, there's green right here. There's so much pink in my hair and in the back, but you can barely see it. So yeah. So for today's goo, I'll be making it's this fluffy slime, yeah, you know. So and then right now I'm going to be showing you all the stuff that I got from Morning Glory today. So let's get started. I love squishies, so I got this squishy right here. It's kind of squishy. My little tag. That's little bread. It smells really good. My favorite, it's this milk bottle. It is kind of defected right here. So look how squishy this is. Okay. Look, watch. Oh my god, it's so squishy. And just kind of has a lower, if you can see that, it's so squishy. And then this one again. Okay, now that's all of them. Oh my god, I just put my squishies in water. Oh my god, I feel like a big douchebag. And then we got this for free because of how much money we spent. It's a 2017 calendar for next year, and it's just a Morning Glory things. I know it's small, but it has all the days. So yeah, and then it comes with these adorable stickers. One of them is missing because I already put my birthday. And it has days off, Labor Day, Easter Day, Thanksgiving Day and stuff, Valentine's Day, stickers, random stickers, exams, birthdays, back to school, school holidays, and public holidays. So yeah, here's all the stickers and you get to put them on your 2017 calendar. So yeah, I haven't not used this yet besides putting it on. So yeah, let's get started onto the video. So I have my glue, food coloring. You'll be needing glue, water, a bowl, something to mix with, food coloring, which is optional, glitter, which is optional, which I'm not using that, foaming soap, which is totally optional. And yeah, let's get started. So sorry if you hear my brother. He's probably gonna ask to go to the bathroom. Watch. I bet you. So yeah. So I'm trying to get as much out. Okay, so now I'm going to fill this halfway, a little bit less than halfway up with water. I'm gonna mix that, or not mix it, but shake it. You know what I mean, people? I'll see you guys when I shake this all up. Okay, so now I'm going to dump this all out. Just like that. Now it's like so clean, like so clean. Take my popsicle stick. Okay, and that's all of it. Now I'm going to put a little bit of foaming soap. So I put a lot of foaming soap actually. I'm gonna mix this all up. Put some more. Never have enough. Okay, that's quite enough. Now to add the food coloring, if I can. I already know that. Oh, I gotta squirt out. Oh my god, can you see this, people? Oh my god. Yes, I'm actually getting a little bit out. Mix this up. Oh my god, that's so pretty. When I mix it, it's gonna turn really light, like a light color. It's kind of where you want it to be, like a light color. I like my things dark. Just like the right amount. I think a little bit more too. Okay. Oh, I just dropped my stick in there, but okay. Every time you do a craft, it's so wrong to not get messy. Getting messy is the key word to your life, people. Okay? So don't be ashamed of getting messy, and don't be afraid of getting messy. I'm gonna go get the liquid starch real quick, and I'll be right back. Got it. And now you want to add like such a little bit at a time. I added like a whole bunch there, I never ever do that. Okay. I'm going to mix. Oh my god, it's already sick. Oh my god. It's working. It's alive. It's alive. Sorry y'all, just trying to be funny. Whoa. So like you don't want to add a lot because then it'll be like really rubbery, I guess. Like my other one. Like big mistake. Big mistake. Oh my god, this is so soft, you guys. So I'm gonna add some more not shaving cream. Liquid starch because it's kind of yellow sticky. Oh my god. I have so much into this. Now it's time to knead it. It's the most best part. It's getting messy. The most best part of crafts is getting messy. Of course. So this feels so soft and like it's the best. Like the best slime I've ever had. It is a bit droopy and watery, but that's so fine. I just need to knead it all in, that's why. Here's our cotton candy slushy slime. This is going to be called our blue raspberry cotton candy slime. Or just cotton candy goo slime, whatever. Whatever you want to call it. So, now I'm just kneading it, I guess. Because that's what you're supposed to do. So I know it's like a giant cloud right now. Something just fell. And just do the cap. So this is getting really, really sticky. Like, this is so sticky. I should have never added the foam. But never ever give up, people. Never. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe to become one of our California Bears. So yeah, see you guys in my next video and peace.